All right, you guys, so you can see this is on two winners that on trades I sent out this evening to my Asian session futures group. For the Asian session, you can see take profit has been smashed and price action is still going. You can see the timer over here. So again, guys, keep it so simple, okay? Price action was going up. It stayed within this downward channel. As you can see, it respected the channel, so that's why the channel was created. But once we had the breakout, the setup came in, the alert came in, and once that happened, the entry, the stop loss, and TP will automatically show up on your charts. Nothing to think about. You just take the trade, check the dashboard first, and you can see it was full of strong buys. And so therefore we won that trade. The second trade was similar, which you can see this thing just took off like Johnny Rocket. And I took this one, I believe, off the 5 minute. So yeah, off the 5 minute time frame. And wow, oh my God. It blazed the take profit. Wow. What the heck, bro? Look, even if you took it from the 15, still smashed it. So either way it goes, this was another clean trade right here. It was again in the downward channel. This is 6N, the New Zealand dollar. Looks familiar to NQ, huh? NQ, let's check that one on the 3. See, NQ, it was in the channel. Here's 6N. I took this one off the 5 minute time frame. And you can see the parallel universe, the parallel channels. So you can see it was bouncing within the downward channel. And then we had our breakout. And once we got the breakout right here, the setup appeared on the charts. And took the trade and it smashed our TP. So that was 2 quick wins for tonight. Again, guys, please keep it simple. Some of you guys, you make things so freaking complicated. So complicated. Now, the other thing is sometimes you don't know whether it's going to push higher and higher. You can use the other indicator that comes with the in your trading tools. And that will be this one right here, which is the easy pip counter. If you want to add additional take profits and all that kind of stuff, you can do that as well. Just use this indicator for that. It's a beautiful indicator, and it will count your points for you, which is something that a lot of people were frustrated. How do I know how many points I made and all that kind of stuff? All of this is available to you as a member of your Easy MT5. Again, we have other trading tools coming out very soon. I'm just not trying to overload people with too many at once. The trading system you see that I'm constantly showing right now is the Parallel Uni-Verz, and that one is available in your back office as well. So that's that. So again, if you want to join, please go to easymt5.com. E is in echo, Z is in zebra, mt5.com. If you are tired of trading on your own and you just want to be copied on our trades, you can go to supereasycopycat.com. You can watch the quick video to see how the software works. This is the software on your computer. You'll see me take a trade here. I'll close the trade on my side. It'll close out here. If we close a partial, it'll close partial. That's it. Set it and forget it. Last but not least, if you want my personal trade alerts, and I'm sorry, the screen is cut off for whatever reason. The New York session will be the tab over here. If you want to trade live with Miss Jenny, just sign up for the New York session. There's a tab here. My screen is kind of cut off. I apologize. My screenshot was a little too small. If you want my trade alerts, that's here. But if you just want to use the same tool that I'm using, then it's the Parallel Uni-Verz. That's the one I'm primarily using. So, that's fine. It's up to you. If you want my alerts, that's cool. If you want to trade on your own with the same trading tool that I'm using, then go here, easymt5.com, and instead of just getting my alerts, you'll actually get access to all of these trading systems. And if you need them for the MT4, just shoot us an email saying MT4. Send an email to super easy, E is in echo, Z is in zebra, forex.com, supereasyforex.com, and we'll include all the MT4s as well, which will make this about 24 or 25 trading systems in total. Okay. So if you want the MT4s included, let me know. All the trading systems that we've built over the years, they'll be included with you, okay, in your membership. No big deal to me. I don't really care, all right? But look at that, man. Take profit is smashed. Take profit got smashed. Now here's another one coming up on the 5 minute. But I'm done for tonight. I don't look for more trades. And when it's hit, I'm done. See, 3 minute. There it is. Bing, bing. Breakout, target smash. Didn't even go into drawdown. How about that? Isn't that beautiful? No drawdown. Now this one here, it kind of went choppy and sideways for a little bit before it hopped into profits. Let's go to the 5 minute to see that one again. So as you can see, it did go in and, into a little drawdown. I did have my stop loss a little bit. Now, to be transparent, what I did was I had my stop loss a little bit lower this time because I saw that this was the swing low. So this is where I put our stop, and I'm glad I did because it didn't tap right here. But, either way it goes, I'm still happy with the trade, because even if you would have put this here and then you would have put your take profit a little bit higher to make it a 1-to-1, that's fine. Still would have won no matter what. So just beautiful trades. It's so simple. All right, peace and hair grease. See you in the next one.